What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm No Play Bray, and we are back here on Planet Zoo. Today's video in Planet Zoo, we're going to be doing another habitat build before we get into a series that we actually start coming up soon. Give you a little sneak peek on that series. Has to do with these animals. That's all I'm going to tell you. But for now, we are focused on one animal in particular, and that is the southern cassowary. So first we're going to look at their population. They are 10,000 to 20,000 in the wild. They are least concerned. Their natural habitat is the the northeast tip of Australia, and this here, which I think is Indonesia. So now that we've seen that, we're going to go to species data. Their group size is 1 male, 1 female, and they are 50 inches in tall in size, and they live up to 40 years. Their interspecies enrichment is absolutely none. So let's get straight into this build. So for today's build, I already have the area mapped out, so we're going to get straight into it, starting with our fence. So I wanted to kind of steal a fence that I already had in one of these other builds, which is this one. So I'm just gonna duplicate it and use this fence right here that I already had for this build. So I'm just gonna flip it around, lower it, and start connecting them together. So just like this, and then I'm gonna quickly get through here and just click these through. So I'm just clicking them all together so they look as neat as possible. And now that I have them together, not duplicate, please don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna select these, and I'm going to merge into a group where I can then click this button and move them all at once. And I'm just going to do this to speed up the process. Twist this. See what this is like on this corner. It's not going to look perfect, but I like how that looks right there. Then I'm just going to do this again, where I take this, and I'm going to, instead of doing that, I want to merge them all, like that. Merge into scenery. Then I can just duplicate, move over, sideways, over, forward, over, back, and there we go. And that's going to be our fence for that part. I'm going to go ahead and do the other half over here. Just need to do some of these movements so I can get them lined up. Oh, didn't mean to click that. I'll just delete it in a second. Okay. Just like this. I'll just move it, and then we can connect it here. Okay. Now I'm going to split it. Oh no, no. I need to grab it again so I can get it back to the single that it was to finish off the fence, because I don't need as much as I had in the group. So I'm gonna just do it this way. And connect. So now it is a little big gap here. So I'm gonna go to my blueprints, and I do have a couple stable saved and stuff. So I might just use one. Coming from someone who's not the best builder of the habitats and stuff. Not the habitats, but the shelters. I enjoy using ones that I have saved, because they're easy to obtain, and when you're just not very good at it, it's not like bad to use it every so often. Because, you know, I'll still try to make my own, but for this specific situation, I'm just going to use this one. So I can speed this up. Twist it. I don't know why it just got raised. Okay, what? This is weird. Okay, sorry. Just like this. Down. Okay, what? And then it raises it. Duplicate. Where's the other one at? Right here? Okay. Together. 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 And you take delete. Delete. Advance move this one so I can get it better. And then finally, duplicate. Oh no, I have a gap. Move forward. Take this one. Move forward. Move over. Move forward. Move over. Move down. Okay. So, now that we have that, I need to add the actual barrier, which is the null barrier around the outside. Just, I don't really care how it looks, because it's not actually a part of my zoo. It's just a habitat build. So I can just speed this up. All the way around. And around this building. And connect there. Habitat gate. Goes here. And I know it's not very realistic, but I'm just going to do it like that. Okay, let's get the path connected so I can get these cassowaries in the zoo. Whole bunch of clicking. Click, 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 click. Okay, animal trading, cassowary. Holy moly. Gotta find it first. Oh wow. Cassowary and somewhere cassowary. Okay, so they're on their way. So first we're gonna go to terrain, and I want some hills. So just gonna do like that. And like that. To get those hills in there. Then we'll paint it up a little. Because I know that they are gonna want some soil and stuff. So we'll just add some soil to start. Not knowing exactly how much they'll want. So we'll just do some of that. And then I'll do the rock around. Like that. But then nature. Here's where it gets fun. So up here on the top, I'm just gonna get some fun trees and stuff. Some of this grass even. But anything that I think will fit well is gonna get added. Just like that. And then there. Find some more, like these. Spread them throughout. Spread these throughout. And anything like that to make it look dry. Perfect. Now I'm going to add some of those trees. Because I want a very Australian look here. Some palms. Some of this grass. Some tropical leaf litter. Some elephant ear plants. and then the gum saplings, because the gum trees look really good. So I just want a surface move, but I don't want it. See, here's my problem. I need a surface move, but I don't need it up in the air. I need it down here. Okay. Wow, the big one. One over there. A real big one right there. And it kind of just is getting better as we go. More dry leaves all around the trees, through there, even adding a foxtail palm or two. And then even though it is gonna be dry because it is a desert, we still want some water, so I'm gonna add them some water in right over here where we kind of have open space. Just the sculpt tool, get a little bit of push down, calm water valid, there we go. Now the final thing for the nature is we need cattails, obviously, and none other than some rocks. So the rocks are very important, especially when you have water, but even when you don't, because it just kind of changes the entire environment of the habitat. Now, I'm not finding the ones that I want, so they might not be available for the filter that I have. So, I'll just take the filters away, and here they are. So, I'm going to add them. All along the water. Until I like how it looks. And now I'll change their colors. So, a little bit more over here. Perfect. So the colors can be changed here. And I can make them any color I want. And the body. So I can make them gray, I can make them dark. Or just this color. But I want like a dark. Dark brown color. Come on now. Can't find the right color. Just get him this gray color. Gray. These ones also gray. And I don't love this color, but it's gonna do for now. And I will leave some brown rocks in there too. But not only the water needs rocks, also up here. So down here, like in these little dips and stuff, where it looks like there may have been dried out water, I'm gonna add them. Just like that. There we go. Now I want to see what they think about this. So I want more sand, which I can do. Okay. The environment. Just add some more plants because they want more. Add a big fern. Those are nice. Add some of these. Then it just starts coming together. Add all the water plants and anything just to get it up to the right level. I really want more grass, shrubs, and stuff. So just some stuff on the ground. Makes it look better. Okay. More more these elephant plants. Perfect. And then some purple Cynthia stuff. Vibrant. Just like that. Okay. And finally, the enrichment will close off today's video. And it's been a little bit of a longer one. So, food bowl, water bowl, somewhere. Herb set, there. The mirror thing, right there. A sprinkler by the water. A slow feeder right there. Ball. and that is good. Then we're going to go ahead and take a look at the inside, and I'm going to put down the bedding for these guys. I am going to rock it out though. Make that rock as well. Habitat bedding. Just place it in there. They can sleep wherever they want. But that's gonna do it for today's video. We're gonna get some up close clips of these guys and their natural habitat. But these guys are just beautiful. But with that, this was Southern Cassowary. I'm No Play Bray. See you in the next one. Bye guys.